The Backstitch Whipped creates a rope-like textured line. To create the Backstitch Whipped, you will first need to create a line of evenly spaced backstitches. Start at one end of your line and sew each stitch from left to right. If you need more information on how to create backstitches, I would recommend going back and watching the video for the backstitch tutorial first. After you have completed your line of backstitches, you are now going to weave your needle and thread under each backstitch. Bring your needle up through the hole of your first backstitch and weave your needle and thread under each backstitch from top to bottom. It is important to consistently weave your thread in the same direction, from top to bottom or vice versa, to achieve the rope-like texture. You can use the same color thread or an alternate color, like in this example, to weave through your backstitches. As you go along, you don't want to pull your weaving thread too hard. You want to keep a nice tension, keeping it a little loose to give your line that added rope-like texture you are trying to create. And that's the Backstitch Whipped. Finish by bringing your needle and thread down through the hole of your last backstitch at the end of your line. You can either tie a knot in the back of your fabric or weave your thread back and forth through the back of your stitches to secure your thread. For more stitch tutorials, please click to subscribe to my channel and visit embroideryandsage.com for fun, modern DIY embroidery kits that you can make at home. Happy stitching!